First, remove the 7 screws here. Note that there are 2 screws on the 2 sides of the casing that need to be removed. After all the screws are removed, we can take off the outer casing. Before replacing the bottom board, we need to first remove the handles on both sides. After removing the 3 screws on the back, gently remove the front panel, containing the bottom board and the LCD screen. First, remove the LCD cable. Then we begin to remove the bottom board. Next, please take a look at the installation operation. Don't forget to install the LCD cable. After replacing the module, we have installed the casing and conducted a power on test.